Skyward Squad. Welcome back to Skyward Strength. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of push-ups. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and hit notifications so you miss no upcoming content. Push-ups, the perfect bodyweight exercise that you can do anywhere and anytime. I'm going to show you the proper push-up technique, a solid routine, different types of push-ups, and the amazing benefits they offer. So, grab your workout gear and let's get started. First, let's talk about the proper push-up technique. A good push-up starts with a strong foundation, so follow these steps to ensure you're doing them right. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Engage your core and glutes to maintain this position. Lower your body down by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your body. Go down until your chest almost touches the ground, then push yourself back up to the starting position. Remember, it's essential to maintain proper form throughout the exercise to prevent injuries and get the most out of your push-ups. Now that you've got the proper technique down, let's talk about a solid push-up routine. Here's a beginner-friendly routine that you can do 3 to 4 times a week. Standard push-ups, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Wide push-ups, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Narrow push-ups, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Rest for 60 seconds between each set, and as you get stronger, you can increase the reps or add more challenging push-up variations to your routine. There are countless push-up variations out there, but here are a few popular ones to incorporate into your routine as you progress. Wide push-ups. Target your chest and shoulders by placing your hands wider than shoulder width apart. Narrow push-ups, also known as diamond push-ups, place your hands close together to emphasize your triceps. Incline push-ups. Perform push-ups with your hands on an elevated surface, like a bench or step, to make them easier and target your lower chest. Decline push-ups. Place your feet on an elevated surface to increase difficulty and target your upper chest. Spider-Man push-ups. As you lower your body, bring one knee towards the elbow on the same side. Alternate sides for each repetition to work your obliques. Finally, let's talk about the amazing benefits push-ups have to offer. Upper body strength. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, helping you build and maintain upper body strength. Improved posture. Strengthening your core and upper body can lead to better posture, reducing the risk of back pain and injuries. Functional fitness. Push-ups are a compound movement, meaning they engage multiple muscle groups, improving your overall functional fitness. Convenience. You don't need any equipment or a gym membership to do push-ups, making them perfect for home workouts or while traveling. Adaptability. With so many variations available, push-ups can be easily modified to suit any fitness level and keep your workouts fresh. And that's a wrap. Now you know the proper technique, a solid routine, different types of push-ups, and the amazing benefits they offer. Remember, consistency is key, so incorporate push-ups into your regular workout routine and watch your strength and endurance soar. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite push-up variation or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay strong and keep pushing.